It's Pizza Challenge! Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. Pizza Challenge. Coffee pizza.
Grind coffee beans to a fine powder. Ground coffee, brown sugar, paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, chili powder, black pepper. Mix well. Coffee rub. Add beef, cooking oil, rub beef, add coffee rub beef again. Real good. Dice red pepper. Dice onion. Tomato sauce. Preheat pan to medium heat. Add cooking oil and heat. Sear beef 1 minute each side. Bake 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 minutes per pound. Coffee rubbed roast. Let roast rest 15 minutes.
All right, let's give the coffee rub beef roast a try. It looks so good. It is so good. I was worried that it would burn a little bit when it was searing, but when it baked, everything came together.
Mozzarella cheese. Flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly is needed. Flour, pizza peel. Slide peel under dough. 1 cup tomato sauce. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 2 cups coffee rubbed beef. 1/4 cup diced red pepper. 1/4 cup diced onion, pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 to 10 minutes. Coffee rubbed beef pizza.
Our pizza challenger is ZUHAIB. And we got a coffee pizza. We did a coffee rubbed roast, as you know. Looks pretty good. That is very tasty. The coffee rub gives it a nice bit of sweet savory. Pizza challenge. Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below. And be sure to check out what's up next.